Welcome to NCR Region.
Good day everyone, I'm Angelo A. Gorgiano from Group 5. I will discuss the geographical location of NCR region. This is the map of NCR under cities. First district, City of Manila. Second district, Mandaluyong, Marikina, Pasig City, Quezon City, San Juan City. Third district, Caloocan City, Malabon City, Navotas City, Valenzuela City. Fourth district, Las Piñas City, Makati City, Muntinlupa City, Parañaque City, Pasay City, Municipality of Pateros, Taguig City. Under capital is Metropolitan Manila.
For the food and delicacies in the NCR region, there is Pancit Malabon. Pancit Malabon is a Filipino dish that is a type of pancit which originates from Malabon, Metro Manila, Philippines. It uses thick rice noodles. Its sauce has a yellow-orange hue attributable to aswete, shrimp broth, and flavor seasoned with patis and taba ng talangka.
Accommodation in NCR. The first accommodation is Marriott Manila Hotel. Is a 5-star hotel, offers luxurious accommodation across Terminal 3 of Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The hotel features an outdoor pool, a fitness center, and 8 dining options. Marriott Manila Hotel is a 15 minutes drive from Makati City and Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. For guests who drive on-site parking, available fee is 60 pesos hourly. Spacious and air-conditioned, the elegant rooms are equipped with flat-screen TV, a minibar, and coffee tea. 24-hour room service and free bottled water are provided. Guests can enjoy pampering, massage, treatment, or simply relax in the hot tub at Marriott Manila Spa. The hotel also provides car rental and laundry services. Manila Marriott Hotel is located 2 Resorts Drive, Pasay, 1309 Manila, Philippines. The Peninsula Manila is a 5-star hotel in the Philippines. It is located on the corner of Ayala Avenue and Makati Avenue in the Makati Central Business District. The hotel is a part of the Peninsula Hotels chain based in Hong Kong and is the first hotel of the chain outside the Chinese territory. Cripson Hotel is a 5-star hotel located in one of the Metro's modern central business districts and premier lifestyle destination in the south. With its contemporary guest rooms and world-class amenities, it offers a restful sanctuary to both business travelers and leisure guests.
And now, for the events and festival in NCR region, they are Feast of the Black Nazarene in Santa Marta de Pateros Festival. Santa Marta de Pateros is a title given to a biblical saint, Martha of Bethany, a tribute to a 19th century apparition of the saint in the town of Pateros, or formerly known as Aguo and once considered a city of Pasig. And the next one is a Chinese New Year in Binondo. Embracing the spirit of festivity, Binondo transformed into a vibrant stage during the Chinese New Year. With the bright lanterns and ornaments come an array of performances and cultural activities that locals and visitors can look forward to. And next is Bamboo Organ Church Festival in Las Piñas. The annual International Bamboo Organs Festival is a music festival of classical music was started to celebrate the music of the reborn instrument and its unique sound. Since 1992, by Professor Armando Salarza, has been the titular organist of the bamboo organ.
Thank you for listening.